Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. I am Josie Gold, right? Okay, now this is an online banking website. As you can see, our finance can give more possibility of business. So let's go down to see how this online banking website function and how it is responsive. And one good thing about this site is that it accepts all languages. You can change the languages from here. Here are a list of languages. So if you want to change it to other language like Urdu, you just click on that particular one and the language will change automatically, right? So just do that and you see now the language has changed from English to Urdu language. You can still reverse it back to English, right? So if you come to this side, you'll see the live chat, which you can use in communicating with your customers easily, right? And when someone message, you can be able to reply from here. Then you reply from the back end, right? So just scroll down and take a look how the website is responsive. So for you to register, you just click on open an account. It will take you to the registration page where you input your details. So let me quickly input my details, my username, my password, my email, my name, then my middle name, then my last name, then the country you are from. So here all the list of all the countries are available. So you just pick the country you are from. Me, I'm from Nigeria, so I'll just go ahead and pick Nigeria. As soon as you pick your country, your states within that country will show up. So you just pick anyone. So I will pick my state, Lagos, then the gender and your date of birth. Make sure you put your date of birth, correct date of birth, right? So the phone number, I'll use my phone number, right? Then the marital status, if it is single or anyone. Then the currency, you can pick Naira or any other currency. So for me, I'm picking US dollar. Then they will ask you the account type you want, if it is savings or any other type. So I will put my PIN here, my transfer PIN, so that anytime you want to transfer, they will ask of the PIN, right? Then you upload your picture. Let me use this as my profile picture. When you are done with that, you've done everything correctly. Just click on register, right? Then you will send your details to the admin. Okay, registration successful. Account request is successful and pending verification. You will be able to access your account dashboard as soon as verification is successful. Your account number is it. So you just have to copy this account number and keep it safe. Then you type OK. As soon as you click on OK, it will redirect you to the login page. Now, another good part of this website is that you cannot log in until the admin approve your registration. So not everyone that can have access to this site except the admin approve. So for us to log in, you just need to type your username. Make sure you type the correct username and your password, right? Okay, so you click login. When you click login, it will take you in. But as you can see now, it's giving us a red flag that account inactive, contact support, meaning the admin have not approved. So for the admin to approve, we need to log in to the admin side. Now, this is the admin side, right? This is the back end. Let me pause this video while I log in the admin part. Okay, so this is the admin part of the website where you will be controlling the functionality of the front end, right? So the admin email and the password will be provided for you. So you just have to click on the link given to you to log in the admin part, right? So let's go to let's go and approve that user that we just created, the account we created. So let's go and activate the account, right? So just click on users list, which is this place. When you click on users list, you go down, down, down to the extreme end. The last user, you see the name there. Okay, look at it. Look at my email here, which is this is account. This is the account. So you just click on edit. Once you click on edit, you will see all information, all details concerning that particular user, right? So you just have to set in your tag code, the pin. You just set up everything. This tag code, the tax code, and the IMF code, they are the code we use for international transfer. So just take note of this code, or you can change it to any other one. You can change the code, but as for me, I will not change it because I have already made the configuration. So I will leave it like that. Then the account here, it will be showing inactive. So all you need to do is to click on active and update the customer, right? So all the information will be showing there. So you just have to click on set in and fill in the details. Then you activate the account. Just click on update. Now the account has been updated. So we have to log in the account now. So we have to go back to the user's dashboard and type our details. Then you click on login, right? So if you do everything correctly, you will log in, and when you log in, this is what you will see. So you can set this up, set up a transaction pin. You can set it up later, or you can even set it up now. I want to set it up later. So if you see now, we have logged in the admin, the username, right? The users. So the account is showing $0.00. It's newly created account. So from here, we have to fund the account. So for you to fund the account, you need to go to deposit, right? Click on deposit. When you click on deposit, it will take you to where you can add fund. How much do you want to deposit? 100. Okay, let's say 1,000. 1,000 US dollar. How do you want to make the payment? Is it by PayPal or MoneyGram or other means or wire transfer? Let's just pick anyone. Okay, let's say PayPal and continue. So you click on the payment method you want to say receive. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. So by so you just go ahead and make the payments, or if it is by check deposit too, you can make that, or wire transfer, say $100, 1,000 US dollar. Then you click on. Then also you can even fund the account through the admin part. So let me show you how to fund the account through the admin part, right? So to to fund your account via the admin part, just go to the admin, log in the admin, then look for the credit users, right? So just click on credit users. It will take you to where you can fund the user. So as soon as you click on credit users, click on select account to credit. All the users will show here. This is the one I created. This is the recent account. All the users will show here. So you just enter how much you want to fund. 100, 1,000 US dollar. Then sender's name, you can say from a person, right? Then account number, the account number I want to fund, or the sender's account number, you can use any number, right? Then the bank name, then the dates they made the transfer, the transaction, you can use any dates, right? and make sure you put the time too. If you did not input the time, it will not go, because bank works with time and date. Then the bank address, then remark. If you have remark, you put. Or even if you don't have remark, you just go ahead and click on credit user. So when you click on credit user, your account will be credited. Okay, so account funded. So you just come back to the admin and click on home. You'll see the balance will change, right? Set up later. You see now the account has been credited with $1,000. See, successful. This is the recent one, successful. So that's how to deposit or to fund the account, right? So the next thing we will look at is to make the transfer. So this local transfer, it has both local transfer and international transfer. So before we proceed, let me make it clear to you that local transfer does not require the 3 billing code. Only international transfer requires the 3 billing code, which was this code we input the details, right? The code, which was this code. Let me show you. Edit, then you go, which was this code. You can change yours. Look at them. So you should know the code. So let's try the transfer and see how it works. So to transfer from locally, like to transfer from within that particular country, just click on local transfer. When you click on local transfer, it will show you where you input the beneficiary account details, account name. Let's say Jati. Then, sorry, Jati, you need to complete the name, Raska. Okay. Then the account number. Then the bank name. Then the account type. Is it savings or any other one? Amount you want to transfer. Let's transfer $200. You can add description if you want. Let's transfer just 200. Then you click on transfer. It will process. Now it is processing, right? So you wait, let it count to 100. So you can see now yourself transferring 200 to Jati Raskache at Access Bank, right? This only for international, like local transfer within one region or one country. It works. So just click on continue to complete the transfer. So as soon as you complete the transfer, it will be debited in your email. Even when you create the account, you'll be debited. Now, as you can see, OTP has been sent to my phone number and my email address. So I have to go to the email address to accept, to put the token, I mean the code, right? Or you receive it via your phone number. But we are not using phone number, so we'll go to my email and get the code. So let's go to my email. So this is my email. Let me refresh it. As you can see, the down one is the credited alert. The 1,000 we transferred, we funded. This is it, right? So it's showing the credit alert. But the other one, the other email, this one, the mail that came in, this is the verification code. So we have to copy this code and take it back to our transaction dashboard where we can complete the payment. So you just click on verify to complete the payment, right? Now, so as soon as I input the code, here is the receipt. You see how amazing the receipt is, right? So you can go ahead and download the receipt to your phone and send it to whosoever you want to send the proof to, right? Or you go back home. Clicking on home now, will take you back to your dashboard. Hmm? So you just click on set data, then you come to this place and see our balance now is $800 instead of, so here is the deposit. Now it's showing pending, like processing. So the admin have to approve this debit, right? Have to approve the transaction. So let's go back to the admin. If you go back to the admin, click on dashboard to refresh. Okay, then you go to debit, debit user, and you click on debit user. It will take you to where you can debit the user, right? So which of them? Just go and the receiver's name. This is another way to debit it, but let's, so for you to approve the transaction we made, the transfer we made, just click on, come to the admin dashboard, then you look for edit transfer. Look at it here, edit transfer. So it is from here we approve the transfer if it went successful or it is declined or something else. So we will look for that particular user, which is the particular user. Here is the person Josie. We have to look for the user. No. Okay, this is the one we made a transfer. So we just go there and approve the transfer. So this one, let's switch to this side and click on edit. So as you can see now, it is processing. So you just click on edit to complete the transfer successful. So you just come to transfer status and click on successful. If you want to decline, you click on failed, then it will be funded back. But if you want to approve it and make it successful, you just click on successful and update transaction. As soon as you do that, you go back to your user end. Okay, it has been transferred, updated. So you go back to your user end and you see, you refresh, it's still processing, but as soon as you refresh, it will show successful. Okay, so it is now successful, right? Look at it here, it is successful. So that's how to credit and debit user. If you want to credit to, you still go there and do the same thing, right? So without wasting time, let's see how to transfer internationally. Okay, so to transfer international transfer, that's from one country to the another, you just click on transfer. It is here the code, the 3 billion code will be required, right? So when you click on it, it will ask for the beneficiary account name. Let's still use Jati Raska. Then the account number, you can put the account number there. Then the account name, you can use Wise Bank or the address, New York or any other country, right? Then the country you pick. In this case, okay, let me just use this Afghanistan. Then the switch code, you put the correct switch code. Then the IBAN number too. The IBAN number, you use the number, then amount. Let's say you want to transfer $200 again, then online bank. Then the description, you can use anything. Let me just use wages. Then you click on transfer. As soon as you click on transfer, it will redirect you to process, right? So just wait while it process. Good. So transaction processing. So you wait when it loads to 100%, then you continue. Then you click on continue, right? So when you click on continue, you will move forward. Good. Now they have asked for the code, say enter tax code. So where can we get the tax code? For us to see the tax code, go back to your admin, then click on billing code. When you click on billing code, each user has the billing code, but generally you can still see it where we save it then. So let's look for the user, this user, and click on edit. When you click on edit, you will see the billing code. So the billing code, it is on. Even this one too, they all are on. So here is where you put the billing code. But without getting it here too, if you come to users, okay, let me just finish with this. So this code and username, you on it. From here you can off and on, right? But we already know the billing code, which is this 22. So there's no need of coming to this side. All we need to do is to just go ahead and, but in case you didn't see it there, just go to users list. Just click on it. After you sign up, you will see it under the users list. So just come to this user and edit. When you edit, you will see the billing codes there. Okay, so look at the billing codes here. These are the billing codes. So we just copy the billing codes and input there, which is 0202. Then you click on continue. As soon as you click on continue, it will take you to the next code, which is the IMF code. You still put the code there. You can change the code and make them different. If you put the correct code, it will take you to the last billing code, which is the tag code. But even this tag too can be changed to token code or anything. You can rename it. So you just put the code there and continue. So the last one, they will send it to the email sometimes, right? So when you click on continue, you will see transaction processing. Your transfer of $200 to this person, wise. The amount will be converted to the currency during transfer. So you just click on continue, right? When you click on continue, that's all. Okay, that's all. Then the code will be sent to the last code, which is the OTP, will be sent to your email for verification. So let's go to our email and get the code. So just come to your email, click on it. As you can see, already we have received debit alert from the transaction we did. So here is the debit alert. So let's wait for the approval code. Okay, approve code. So here is the code. 23970. Let me type it. 23970 705. So you just click on verify OTP. Good. So the transaction has gone through, but without those billing codes, you cannot pass the transaction. So all you need to do is to download your receipt, or you click on home to go back to your dashboard. So as you can see, the amount has reduced again so it is pending, still processing. So for you to confirm the payment that it has went through, as soon as you receive the payment, just click on edit user. Click on edit user. When you click on edit user, go to that last transaction we did, which is this, right? Which is this one. So just go there and edit processing. Then we change this pending to successful. If you want to decline, you click on fill, right? It will reverse back the money to the account. So you just click on successful and update. Come back here and refresh. You see that instead of processing, it will show successful, right? So that's how the international and local transfer works. Okay, the last feature I want to show you in this online bank is how to add a customer from the admin part without being like without the user signing up, right? So you just go ahead and add the user from the admin part. So when you log into the admin, you just come to register user. You click on register user, it will show you a dashboard where you can add the information of the user. Make sure you put the name, the last name, date of birth, status, everything correctly. Then you click on register. Even the amount you want to be in the account, you click on register. Here you can select the currency, right? So that's how to add a user without requiring to sign up via the registration site, right? So now this, as you can see now, the bank has card and is the logo of the website that is showing on the card, right? So for you to apply for the card, you can click on apply now. So they will give you card number, the expiring date, and the CVV. But you know that this card is fake, except you are using it for legitimate stuff, right? So you just click on generate, and it will go. You will apply for the card. Then from there you can share the card to everyone you wish to, right? So the amount will be showing on the card after when your application is successful. So that's how this bank works. Now let me log out and go back to the home page, right? Let me log out and go back to the home page. So here is the login details. Now this website is available for your use, for your project, for whatever you want to use it for. It is available. All you need to do is to contact me on my phone number 08023161060. I will get this done for you for your project, right? In no distant time, you will get it. So see you in my next